Hey everyone, Earl here. Xiaomi just dropped an early Christmas gift for smartphone fans with the new Redmi Note 15 Pro series. If you're looking for a feature-packed mid-ranger that punches above its weight, stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the Redmi Note 15 Pro and sharing our real hands-on experience so far. Without further ado, let's jump in. Right off the bat, this phone gives off some serious premium vibes. We got it in the titanium colorway, which actually leans more toward a nice gold shade. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this color option. The back panel feels like plastic with a matte finish. You've got the updated Redmi logo centered at the bottom and that square camera island up top. Even though it weighs in at 210 grams, a bit heavier than the Note 14 series at around 190 grams, it still feels comfortable and not too heavy in the hand. On the durability front, the Redmi Note 15 Pro comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, so it's fully dust-proof and can handle water submersion. It might look a little delicate, but it's actually pretty tough thanks to the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 in the front. Plus, it comes with a black-gray jelly case in the box for extra protection. At the bottom, you've got the USB-C port, speaker grill, and SIM tray. Up top, there's a second speaker, IR blaster, and mic. The right side has the volume rocker and power button, while the left side stays clean. Now, let's talk about the display. This is where the phone really shines for me. It features a massive 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The colors look vibrant and well-balanced. The bezels are super thin, and you get that classic AMOLED deep blacks and excellent color accuracy. It can hit up to 3,200 nits peak brightness, so using it outdoors in direct sunlight is no problem at all. I spent an entire day binge watching movies and vlogs on this thing. It felt incredibly immersive. That's honestly what hooked me the most. The dual stereo speakers make the experience even better. They're not just loud, they go up to 400% volume, but the sound quality is genuinely solid too. For security, you get fast face unlock and an in-display fingerprint scanner, and both work smoothly and quickly. Moving on to cameras. The back has what looks like a triple camera setup in that square island, but it's actually a dual camera system. A 200MP main sensor with OIS and an 8MP ultra-wide. The other circles are just the LED flash and an extra sensor. Up front, there's a 20MP selfie camera and a punch hole cutout. I was genuinely surprised by how good the photos turned out. Even without a telephoto or dedicated macro lens, it handles everyday photography really well. Pictures come out vibrant, sharp, and detailed. Portrait mode gives nice subject separation, and you can zoom from 0.6x all the way up to 30x digitally on the rear camera. The selfie camera goes from 0.8x to 1x. Video-wise, the main camera can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second, while the front camera tops out at 1080p 60 frames per second. Right now I'm filming with the front camera at 1080p 60 frames per second. That's the max it can do. I'm here with Mark. Hey man, tell us what you think about the camera performance and audio on this phone. My only real complaint here is that when you manually zoom while shooting, there's a noticeable delay. Even after using the phone for a while and trying other camera features, it still felt a bit laggy. The post-processing also takes a second before showing the final image. Now, let's talk performance. The Redmi Note 15 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra. It's a nice balance of efficiency and power. I played Mobile Legends on max graphics, and it ran smoothly with no lag. Call of Duty Mobile also played great. For heavier games, it performs well if you keep the settings on low to medium. It does get warm after extended play, but never uncomfortably hot. Our unit has 8GB of RAM, plus 4GB virtual, and 256GB of storage. I'll flash the benchmark scores on screen for anyone who wants the numbers. On the software side, it runs HyperOS 2 on top of Android 15. It's interesting that it didn't launch with HyperOS 3 and Android 16, but that's just how it is. The customization options are still solid, and you get useful AI features like Circle to Search, AI Beautify, AI Image Expansion, and Google Gemini. Xiaomi is promising 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, which is pretty decent for this segment. Battery life is excellent. It packs a huge 6,580 milliamp hours cell, bigger than the previous generation. With moderate use, it easily lasted a full day. I even used it as a power bank to charge my main phone during a friend's tournament. In our PCMAR battery test, it scored 17 hours and 18 minutes. And with 45W charging, it juices up pretty fast. For connectivity, You get full 5G with eSIM support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, IR blaster, and all the usual stuff. As for pricing, we don't have official numbers yet, but once they drop, we'll put them in the description or comments. For reference, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G started around 17,999 Cuban pesos for the base 8/128 GB model, so we're expecting something in that same ballpark. Wrapping it up, the Redmi Note 15 Pro is easily one of the most exciting mid-range phones. It brings flagship-level features at a reasonable price. You're getting a big, immersive high refresh rate display perfect for gaming and media, strong performance, excellent battery life with fast charging, and a solid camera system for everyday use and social media. Sure, it's missing a telephoto lens and wireless charging, and there are a couple of small software quirks, but overall it delivers a really well-balanced experience. So what do you guys think of the Redmi Note 15 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and latest updates. Thanks for so much watching, guys. See you next time.